Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by controlling the environment. Close windows, silence devices, and move soft materials nearby to reduce reflections. Then pick your mic, iPhone built-in or an external lav. Hold it close to your mouth to increase signal-to-noise ratio. Open voice memos or your recording app and record a 10-20 second test. This test shows background noise character. Once done, listen with headphones to confirm hiss, hum, or room tone so you know what to remove later. Once you have a stable test, improve capture. Switch to a directional mic or add a foam windscreen to cut wind and plosives. If your app offers a low-cut high-pass filter, engage it to remove rumble below about 80 Hz. This keeps voice clear versus muddy bass. Also record 5 to 10 seconds of room tone, no speaking, so you can create a noise profile later. Make another short take and compare. This helps you judge what processing you will need. Now edit. Import your clip into an app like Ferrite or a desktop DAW and load the room tone to create a noise profile, which tells the algorithm what to remove. Apply noise reduction with moderate reduction. Too aggressive makes artifacts. Then use EQ to cut remaining frequencies and a gentle compressor to even levels. Finally, export at 44.1 or 48 kHz. If problems persist, test different noise profiles and lower reduction. Make sure your source recording is as clean as possible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.